In this video, I will show you how to cancel ClassPass subscription. First, open the ClassPass website and log in. Then, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Now on the left-hand side of the page, you will see a few options. Go ahead and click on Settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the Cancel Your Membership option. Click on that. Now, towards the bottom of the screen, you will see two buttons, one that says Keep My Membership and another that says Cancel My Membership. Click on Cancel My Membership. ClassPass will try to keep you on board, so you will see a few more screens. Just keep clicking Cancel My Membership as you go through them. Finally, you will land on a confirmation page. Just check the little box to confirm your cancellation and then click Confirm Cancellation. And that's it. Your membership will be canceled. And that's how to cancel your ClassPass subscription.